Hey guys, so today I'm going to tell you how to make a carousel post on Instagram. If you're using Instagram and you want to create your own Instagram carousel post, let's see how can you do that. So you just have to simply open your Instagram app and here just have under plus option in the top left, or it might sometime here. So you just have to select plus option and here just select post. So you might get different options: post, story, and reel. You just have to select post option here. So by default, you can only select a single photo or video as an Instagram post. Just select that and tap on next. And here you can see in this way you can easily select a single photo or video. If you want to make a carousel post, go back and here just tap on this double circle option. Now select multiple photos or videos you want to add into your Instagram post. Let's see, I'm going to select this one, also this one here. So here's the photo. So I have selected almost 5 items. There are 3 videos, 3 photos, and 2 videos. So once I have selected, just have a next option here. Just have on this OK option. So now you can edit your photo or videos if you want to edit them. If you don't want, just tap on this next option and then tap on next share option here. So it will be shared to your Instagram profile. So in this way, you can easily create Instagram carousel post. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.